Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandanang Bande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vanchakalpataruvasya Kripa Sindhu Bhavach Patitanang Pavane Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vachalang Pangung Langhayatagirim Yat Kripatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavan Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesava Sacha Krishna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvattvayi Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Jaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudira Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadeshe Gauriya Patrasya Prakasane Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukto Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varana Deyam Sada Paribhavagna Bhavishtaduham Tirthaspadam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vitatiham Panutopal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charana Ravindam Yat Pada Pallavana Khachandamani Chataya Vispurijita Kimapi Govadu Swadarshi Purnanuragra Sasagra Saramurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Karosi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Bindu Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Bindu Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sankirtanai kapitaro kamala yataksho Vishambaro Dijavaro Jugodharma Palo Bande Jagat Priyakaro Karuna Bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Sura Surair Vandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin Chamuktin Chatada Sinitam Bhavan Sada Naranam Ganga Tarangaramaniya Jata Kalapam Gauri Nirantara Vibhushi Tvam Bhagam Narayano Priyamanangamadapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Vagisha Jushavadane Lakshmi Yasya Bhakshasi Yasyasti Hidaya Sambhit Tvam Shingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Anadi nidhanam brahmo sabda tattvam jadaksharam nivartate artho bhavena pakriya jagato jato. Anadi nidhanam brahmo sabda tattvam jadaksharam nivartate artho bhavena pakriya jagato yataha. Gauriya Gosipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that if Siddhanta Vani is protected, then everything is protected. If Siddhanta Vani is well protected, then everything is protected. If there is any shortage of money, any problem cannot stand. Prabhupada speaking, the first and foremost duty of an Acharya is to give full protection to Siddhanta Vani. All the time he must be careful. There should not be any Siddhanta Virod, wrong etiquette. All the time he should keep a close watch on this matter. In Sampradaya, if there is any Siddhanta Virod, mistake, anything, if we allow this mistake to go on, generation after generation, then very shortly our Sampradayik Bani Vaibhav can get destroyed. Of course, Bani Vaibhav can never be destroyed, it can disappear. I would say it's more practical to speak. So, if Bani Vaibhav is protected, if there is shortage of money, any problem, that's problem. Because Siddhanta Bani protected means our parampara, sampradaya, our disciplic succession can get strength, and on the strength of bhajan power, they can maintain everything okay. But we are paying attention to money, position, everything. That is the main point for why we are losing everything day by day situation, taking such a dangerous turn that we don't know how to maintain the dignity of Sampradaya. Of course, as per the assurance of Bhaktivinoda Thakur commitment, Bhaktivinoda Dhara can never be destroyed. That is the only hope. Somehow, Bhaktivinoda Dhara can never be destroyed. Somehow, you cannot find Bhaktivinoda Dhara. Maybe it's flowing through one great devotee. He is not expressing anything. This way, like Falgu Nadi, river Falgu in Gaya, you cannot find, there is no water. You cannot find any water. But if you try to get some sand outside, dig, you can find water inside. This way, Bhaktivinoda Dhara can never disappear, it can be there. So, Prabhupada speaking, we are practicing, we are anusilan, we are doing Sabda Tattva. We are doing anusilan of Sabda Tattva, we are getting the power from our Guru Varga. They are giving us power to do anusilan, exercise, practice of Sabda Tattva. In the form of Bhagavad Katha, Hari Katha, Hari Kirtan, Sankirtan, chanting Nam, we are all doing this. But be sure, if our heart is contaminated, in that case, Sabda Tattva, this Sabda Brahma cannot bestow Kripa on us. Big problem. Material sound is a real, material sound, this material world is controlled by material sound. The whole material world is controlled by material sound. But Aprakrita Jagat is controlled by Aprakito sound. Aprakito Sabda Brahma, all the time. The sloka we started with is from Brahma Khanda. There it is written, Anadi Nidhanam Brahmo Sabda Tattvam Jadaksharam. Anadinidhanam Brahma Sabda Tattvam Jadaksharam. Eternally present Sabda Tattva, Anadinidhanam Brahma. Brahma Tattva means Sabda Tattva. It is confirmed here. It is already confirmed here, everywhere. Anadinidhanam Brahma Sabda Tattvam Jadaksharam. I mean Brahma Tattva means Sabda Tattva. Anadinidhanam Brahma Sabda Tattvam Jadaksharam Nivartate Artha Bhavena Pakriya Jagato Yataha. All the creation, external creation we are watching, all coming from Shabda. This is the latest scientific research, they are saying. Low amount of sound creating this. Vangsidhani, ultimately this Ekakshar Brahma Mantra, from there energy coming and energy converted into matter. Like matter can be converted into energy. Energy, it is written in Shastra, Bahiranga Sakti taking the form of this material world. Bahiranga Sakti, all. This way, Upadan Karan, Nimitta Karan, all there. I am not going into this matter in details. So, if we can take care of Sabdo Anusilan perfectly, if there is purity inside our heart, no duplicity, very shortly, Sabda Brahma or Prakita Sabda, I mean Krishna in the form of Sabda Brahma can enter inside your heart. It is confirmed in Bhagavatam also. This way, actually, Vedobhyas is Shabdavadi. We are also Gaudiyas, we all Shabdavadi, we are in favor of Sabda Tattva, Yadaksharam, by the help of which whole creation going on smoothly, this way. I already told Rupa Goswami Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad writing one line before starting Vyakaran, I mean Sanskrit grammar, Harinamamrita Vyakaran. There it is written, Je Narayana Udbhuto Ayam Varnakramaha. This all, everything all coming from up. Very analytical discussion. First of all, when there is no creation, we cannot find any sound. Gradually, creation takes place. After that, how a Shabda Brahma appeared in the heart of Brahma, which way, after that Brahma expressing that Shabda, first, second, third, four mouth, gradually speaking. After that, this sound vibration coming here, I already told Jivas are also from Bhagavatam already. Bhagavan told in Gita, already declared, Mamai Vamsa Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuto Sanatana. Those Jivas are my Amsa. Those Jivas are all my Amsa, but Amsa doesn't mean Bhagavan is cut into pieces, dust particle or make dust particle or one particle, not that. Bhagavan is Purna Vastu. Even one dust particle from Golok Vrindavan is Purna. Even one dust particle from Golok Vrindavan is Purna. But this world is always defective, not complete. This world is always suffering due to dissatisfaction, impurity, all the time. But Golok Vrindavan, one dust particle, if we get, is Purna Vastu. That's why Bhagavan cannot be converted into dust particle, and so jivas are coming, not that. Mamayivamsa means my Shakti Angsa. Mamaiva Angsa means my Shakti and the Shakti Amsa. I mean Tatastha Shakti, what is called Jeev Shakti, that is coming in this world, Tatastha Shakti, Jeev Shakti, in the form of Jeev Shakti coming, and after that Maya Devi giving this material body, and inside this body that Chit particle entering and making us active. We can do. If that Chid Atma, if that Chid Atma is not there, then this body cannot make any movement. This body cannot make any. If Chidatma is not there, body cannot make any. Now point is that, why Bhagavan speaking, Mame Yuvangsa Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuto Sanatana? It is simply because as per Vedanta Sutra, we have idea from Vedanta Sutra that Shakti Matur Aved. Shaktiman Bhagavan is non-different from his Shakti. Three, categorically we can say three different, Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti or Maya Shakti. By the help of which, and after that countless Shaktis are there, ancillary. But main basically we can say Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti or Maya Shakti. Chit Shakti, by Chit Shakti, all eternal world, transcendental or Prakrit Jagat, all maintain everything there. And Jeev Shakti, Mahavishnu, when looking at Maya, then all by rays, all jivas going there into the womb of Maya Devi. After that, according to Karmafal, jivas are taking birth at horse, dog, crocodile, whatever Karmafal, according to that, they are taking birth. Again they are living, even they are taking birth. This way going on. So, Sabdo going to maintain everything, Bhagavan speaking this way, how Vedas appeared in this material world. How Vedas appeared in this material. How? Vedas. Bhagavan speaking, yesterday I told, when Bhagavan told Uddhav, whatever I already told you, you try to avoid. Avoid means you need not pay attention. You come to me and take shelter unto my lotus feet, then everything okay. When Bhagavan suggesting this way, Yahi sarvatma bhavena maya shahi akuto bhaya. You can go out of fear. I told, fear where from coming? Because Uddhav is Bhagavad Parsad. At the same time, Uddhav is using all prasadam of Bhagavan. Ornament, cloth, uchishta prasadam, whatever there. And Uddhavji Maharaj already told, Uchishta bhojino vayam, Uchishta bhojinaha vayam, tavamaya jaye mahi. We are using your prasadam. Whatever Bhagavan ornament using, then Uddhav using, what cloth, asan, everything. Prasadam, uchishta. So we know from Kirtan, prasado seva korite hoy, prasado seva korite hoy, sakal prapancha joy. We can come out successful if we are using prasadam. If we are not taking prasadam, anything from market, without offering to Bhagavan, then we will have to get reaction for that. Whatever not offered unto a lotus feet of Bhagavan, we cannot take, because prasado seva korite hoy sakal prapancha joy. In course of respecting prasadam, using prasadam, gradually we can cut Maya and go up. That is the Siddhanta. So, Uddhavji Maharaj surely not in Maya. So where from this kind of fear, where from this kind of fear can come? We already know from Bhagavatam, Bhayam Dityo Vinivishataha Sad, Bhayam Dityo Vinivishataha Sad, Ishat Apetasya Viparjya Sriti, Tanmayaya Ato Avayatvam, Bhaktaika Esham, Gurudeva Tatma. Any kind of fear you are suffering for, any kind of fear in your heart, inside your heart, is due to attention in Maya, other than Bhagavan. You are not paying attention to Bhagavan, your attention is there in Maya, concentration. So, you can lose or gain, this kind of fear can come, that's why fear. This kind of unknown fear going to chase you all the time. You cannot avoid fear. But in case of Uddhavji Maharaj, surely we cannot expect, because Uddhavji Maharaj is not concentrating in Maya. So where from the question of Akuto Bhai, to become fearless, where from coming? Uddhavji Maharaj speaking, you suggesting, you are advising me to avoid all Sruti, Sriti, Sruti, Sriti, Pravriti, Nibriti, Sratobha, Sruto, all you are advising me to avoid. To avoid. But now I am fearing Sruti, Sriti, for a long time, we know eternally present, we must follow Sruti, Sriti, we cannot. So by chance, if I ignore, can I get any reaction or not? That is my fear. Fear is not because Uddhavji concentrating in Maya. That fear arising, it is one kind of positive fear, which can give us some teachings. Uddhavji Maharaj, as a representative of unbonded soul, going to express, so that question, answer can be there, and solution we can get. That's why speaking, Uddhavji Maharaj speaking, Sangsayoho Srinnato Vacham Tabu Yogeswareswara No Nivartato Atmasto Yeno Brahmati Me Mana. My mind, I cannot get stability of mind because now I am developing some doubt inside me. I know you cannot misguide me because you are Yogeswareswar. You are Yogeswareswar. Those who are Yogeshwar, Shankar, Brahma or Yogeshwar, you are master of them. You are not Yogeshwar, you are Yogeshwareswar. So, I am sure you cannot misguide, but the point I like to be clarified. Because you say, Ved, Vedanta, everything you keep aside, and come to me. Only you take shelter, then no problem. So by avoiding Veda, Vedanta, can I guess reaction or not? That is my fear, doubts. Bhagavan speaking, well, what you are thinking as Veda, Vedanta, what they are? What they are? Actually, Veda coming from me. Veda coming from me. First of all, Veda appeared inside Brahma. After that, it's coming down this way. Bhagavan speaking, Sa eso jivo pravaro prasyutihi praneno ghosheno guham pravishtaha manomayam Sukshmam suksham upetto rupam matra saru varno itis tavishta. First of all, Uddhav, what happens? I advise you to take shelter of Paramatma. Why you know? Why you know? Because that Paramatma inside body coming and staying at Paramatma witness, Paramatma witness, super soul. At the same time, those jivas, who they are? I myself jivas? How? Jivas? All jivas Bhagavan? Not that. Don't take that way. Just a few minutes before I told, Mamai Vangsa Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. I told. Mamai Vangsa means Shakti Shakti Matur Abhed. So, don't misunderstand. Bhagavan wanted to say, according to Achinta Vedavat Tattva, according to Achinta inconceivable, according to inconceivable Tattva, is simultaneously different or non-different. So Bhagavan can safely say, because Shakti, Shakti, Matur, Abhed. So according to that, without Bhagavan, nothing there. All Brahma, all around, even dust particle here, all Brahma. So Bhagavan speaking, I am myself in the form of Jiva coming down in this material world, Dehastha in the body of somebody in the body, and there is different kind of chakra. We have no idea clearly, but those who are yogis, they have idea. They are practicing, that is called Muladhar Chakra. While you are sitting, there is a background going to end. That is called Muladhar Chakra. After that, here Navi Chakra. After that, here one chakra, here one chakra, here one chakra. This way, this chakra, Muladhar, Anahato, Manipur Chakra, Adhar, Vishuddha Chakra, these different kind of wheel, chakra there. Chakra means not that wheel, it is meaning like that. Not think that wheel. It is chakra. So those yogi, they are concentrating in such a way so that the consciousness, because there is one branches of wire, like you are making electrical line in your building. So, first of all, when you are going to make construction, then you are putting all big pipeline through which all branches of wire coming, then divided into different room, kitchen, everywhere. Similarly, we have a branches of nervous system which all going through here, from here, actually going through all. If slight disturbance, then you can feel problem. Just like a bunches of electric wire coming. And through concentration in the chakra, Paramatma, this way gradually your Vayu can go up and up and up, and after that can go this. So Bhagavan speaking, actually I am entering into body, and I am manifesting myself. I am manifesting myself in such a way so that each and every out of 6 chakra, each and everywhere you can find my feeling. I am there, this way. First of all, Bhagavan is Sabda Tattva. I already started many times in those past days. Nama Sankirtanam Jassu Sarva Papa Panasanam Pranama Duksha Samanam Tang Namami Harim Pravam. This I told. Also, Etat Nibrittamananam Michatam Kutubhayam Joginam Nipuniritam Hare Namanuki. All everything. Also in Vedanta, Anabriti Shabdat double time. Vedanta Sutta. You can stop your birth and death cycle by practicing Anabriti Shabdat. Anabriti means you can stop your recurring birth and death cycle by practicing sound. What is the sound? Krishna, Bhagavat Nam, that is sound. But we are not sincere. we are not at all ready to purify yourself. That's why you are not getting any result. We are not getting sufficient result because we are not sincere. We are not paying attention. That's why we are not getting result. Without getting any kripa of Shabda Brahma through Guru Vaishnava, we cannot come out successful. Without getting kripa, I told many times, all effective acharyas, they are all namacharya. Many times I told. Those who are acting as acharya, effective acharya, I am not saying so-called acharya in the market. Those who are effective acharyas, they are all namacharyas. But we keep this title exclusively for Namacharya Haridasa. In fact, without being Namacharya, in fact, without being Namacharya, nobody never can act as Acharya. Because anyway, we will have to get the Kipa of Nam. You are not enjoying Kipa of Nam, you are big Acharya. How possible? Foolish. You are not enjoying Kipa of Nam Prabhu, Nam Brahma. You are big Acharya, how possible? You are making wrong explanation of Nam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. You speaking in Balaram, or you say Dasarathi Ram, what? How? Where from you get? Where from you get? Because you are following Guru Varga, huh? You are following Guru Varga. Then where from you got? Jiva Goswami Pad wrote, our Raghunath Das Goswami wrote, Gopal Guru Goswami wrote, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote, what all the details meaning of Harinam Mahamad, where from you get? That is the main doubt. Whether you are in Parampara line or not, you are enjoying Kipa or not. 100%. There is doubt. This way, without being Nam Acharya, even we have no right to speak even one word. Be careful. Even we have no right to speak one word in front of public if we are not established in Dham Bhajan. You can think it is very tough. I don't know what is tough and what is easy. What is Siddhanta I am speaking. We have no right to speak even one word in front of public. Devotees, if we are not established in Nam, no right. First of all, Nam Kipa, and that Nam can come in the form of Harikatha. That Nam, same. All Harikatha, all countless Shastras, infinity, all coming from this Nam. Nam is the seed of all creation. Seed in the sense, all the possibility of this creation, Prakrit, Aprakrit, all hiding inside it. One banyan tree, there is fruits falling down, one birds eating, after the passing stool, it is falling in such a suitable place that gradually it is sprout coming out. After that, due to air, water, and sunlight, it is going to sprout out. After 5,000 years, you find, what is this? Where from coming? From one seed which you cannot see. Oh, so nice. Even not mustard seed. Even not mustard seed. Even not poppy seed. So nice. But there, all the possibility of this banyan tree, which is now taking a vast shape, it was hidden there. Same way, all the possibility inside you there to serve Bhagavan. Possibly, this I can discuss maybe tomorrow, all details what Prabhupada told. All the possibility there, potential there. If potential is not there, I cannot expect anything. cause and effect related to each other. Cause and effect, as per scientific research, 100%. Cause and effect related to each other. Cause is there, effect we can get. Effect is there, no cause there, idiot. Cause is there, but effect is not there. Oh, automatically. Automatically? What do you mean by automatically? 40 years back, those scientists used to say, there is Big Bang. Big Bang, by some energy, they get agitated, and that after that, creation started. Now, after some time, question came, where from they got energy? What is that source? You say Big Bang, getting the energy, after that explosion, after that creation took place, okay? But what is the source of that energy? What do you mean to say? Not clear. Energy where from got that energy? What is the source? Without source, where from? So this way, cause and effect is related to each other. Cause is there, effect is there, cause is not there. A research work is like this. Cause and effect, searching. This effect. Like Jellicoe Curie, Madame Curie of England, very poor lady, husband and wife, very poor couple. They are scientists, but they have no money. They are speculating something. They like to do some research work. Finally they took, we have no money, we can collect pitch blend. One factory going to throw out waste product, pitch blend. They collected it, pitch blend. They pitch blend, one kind of chemical, you need not understand. And there, from forest, they collect wooden piece and a big pot there. After that, finally, they got 1 milligram or 2 milligram uranium. They were suspecting. Finally, they got, it is a radioactive element. Those who are having basic idea of physics, chemistry, they can understand. So, that radioactive element, they collect very carefully, very costly. Finally, in the night time, they are going to put inside the drawer, and there was some, by chance, there was some flame, crude, not used. Flame, black flame. Morning time, when they again starting, they find some rays are there, marking, in the black flame. Where from this marking coming? We never scratch, there was nothing. How? Again they buy one new flame and put inside. Again they are 2 or 3 days about a miracle. Then they suspect there must be some reason behind it. Because we put some metal, maybe something, a latest research. When they purposely put, they say, okay, radioactive element, radiating alpha, beta, gamma, going to affect that flame, and from then they discover how we can make X-ray plate this way. So, every research work is following this procedure, cause and effect, this why? No. This they can go back. Oh, this is happening. This why happening? They go back. This way, the research work takes place. But infinity such cause and effect, if you search out, infinity. Finally, you can go back, infinity reason, you can find only Krishna is sitting, Krishna is standing there and playing on flutes, nothing else. Isvaraha Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karan Karan. Finally, all research can go and find, oh, Krishna playing the flute. Nothing else. We are thinking like ghost. I am this, I am angry, I am happy. This way. All mutual fighting going on. So this way, Bhagavan speaking, all chakra I manifest myself and controlling the whole body, controlling the whole world. And this way, monomai platform, I go from there, I express myself in the form of matra. Matra means, matra, you say, it is impossible to translate. But still I am trying my best. Because translation not possible. Matra, you never heard this. Because in matra you know that is, but what matra here means, mid duration of your pronunciation. Like ah, ka, this kanto. All some sound coming from English I cannot say, but in grammar, Sanskrit grammar, in there. Some sound coming from here, some sound coming from osto, kanto osto, kanto talu, upper portion, talu, tak. You don't know, unknowingly. You are pronouncing that your tongue, tak, and sound is controlled and in such a way to channel, you are successful to utter the sound. But it is unknowingly, you have no, purposely you are not doing. But those who are developing stammering, they cannot pronounce. Because their matra, those who are developing stammering, they cannot speak properly. Because their matra, they cannot maintain. Like, oh, I have to speak this way. Ka, they can speak this way. Stammering. That's why they cannot maintain. Otherwise, it is usual rules. So, one example I like to give. Like, Trashta, you know, Trashta, Nandan, Vittasur developed. But previous son was Vishwarup. Vishwarup was killed by Indra. Vishwarup was killed by Indra. So to take revenge, Trashta, the father, now arrange one big Abhichar Yajna. So that from Yajna, one powerful personality can come out and kill Indra. I can take revenge this way. So he arranged big Yajna. And in Yajna, those Brahmins, they are speaking mantra. Somehow they make mistake in their pronunciation. Duration. You see how scientific this language is. Even slight difference, matra difference, pronunciation. What do you, horso, dirgho, horso, dirgho, long term, some sound of there, you have very quickly. Go, English, jao. Or on another sound, it takes more time. So, there was some mistake in pronunciation. Whatever time duration, they need to take help, but they are not taking. This way, the meaning of the mantra changing, and Trashta wanted to make one big powerful figure who can kill Indra. But the result was just opposite. Indra developed power, was successful to kill that Vittasur. Whereas Vittasur is so big. Only pronunciation. Indro Satru Vivardhasa. Indro Satru Vidha, very quickly. Or Indro Satru Vivardhasa mean Indro, who is the enemy of Indra, he must get power to kill Indra. But due to pronunciation mistake, the result was just opposite. Indra developed power to kill. Srila Bharati Maharaj used to give one example. One man having stammering problem, he is a gate man. Someday, Bhaktivedanta Bharati used to give this example. Very nice example. One gateman is there. He is always there, standing in the gate, his duty. The man, the owner is very rich man. Owner is a very rich man. So the gateman always keeping close watch, who is going and coming. Follow? By chance, due to some reason, one man entered into the room of the rich man, stolen something, and now going to run away. Maybe he was in drowsy condition, whatever, who knows. Got entry and immediately steal something and running. Then the man, owner saw. Owner saw and immediately coming to veranda, hey, stop, don't allow that man to go. He was supposed to speak. But due to stammering, he is speaking, don't stop, allow him to go. But English is not possible, Bengali and Sanskrit possible. He was supposed to speak, stop him, don't allow him to go. Roko, mat jane do. Roko, mat jane do. But due to stammering, roko mat jane do. Pronunciation, gapping, difference. The meaning just opposite. Roko mat, don't stop him, allow him to go. Due to stammering problem. So you see, so scientific, this word. So, I already told, without being Nam Acharya, nobody can act as Acharya. Bhagavan now speaking, in fact, whatever jugglery going on, all over the world, all you know, a root cause, I myself. I myself there. All going on. Infinity, diversity going on. All I am operating. Directly or indirectly. All operating mind. So, Bhagavan speaking, first of all, this can stay in suppressed form. Nobody can understand where is sound, what sound you mean. The sound coming in this way, step by step. Para mean absolute stage where nobody understands where. Sound there, suppressed. Pashanti mean in such a platform where the light, conception of division. The sound you are uttering. Again, I can go back to some discussion which I had done before. Sound, what you are speaking, surely you mean to speak something. Why you are using this word? Water, what do you mean? You are using this term, water, so you are habituated, you have idea, water means colorless and tasteless some, which can save our life if we drink, that we know. But you are speaking water, I don't know English, I cannot understand. What? Or if you say Bada, Russian, nobody can understand. So each and every languages have some terminology they are using for each and every word. They are habituated as per their dictionary. They are from their childhood habituated. That's why they are knowing. But Aprakriti Jagat, in Aprakriti Jagat not like that. Aprakriti Jagat, when Sarup Shakti entering in the sound, then what you are speaking and the object you like to mean, and what you are uttering some word, and the object you want to mean, all same. Follow? What is it? Don't understand. When Madhavendra Puri is saying, Ha Krishna, that's when Krishna is present, himself, in the form of sound. When Paramahଂsa Sridhar Goswami Maharaj speaking, Gaur Nitai Haribol, Haribol, Gaur Nitai Haribol, then Gaur Nityananda present there. Try to realize this point. What is the difference between material sign? What is the basic difference between material sound and Aprakrita sound? Material sound, You are uttering, but the object is not present. If you shout water, 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 you cannot get water. You have to go to the source of water. But in Aprakriti Jagat, ha, Vrindavan, Madhavendu were crying. Then Vrindavan in fine form present here. That is the difference. Whatever Aprakriti Sabda Brahma coming from the lotus feet of lotus mouth of this, then all equal to what Baba there inside the heart, all same. So this way, Nam Brahma coming this way, so automatically, when material sound coming, material way, material sound, but Aprakrita Sabdo is totally different. From Vedanta, tomorrow I can discuss some point, then you can understand. Vedanta Sutta, it is written nicely. So, when the sound develop, be it material, Aprakita sound is Aprakita. That is. But anyway, when coming, then first of all, Para. In absolute form, no sign of any sound. After that, it comes to the Pashanti. There, the conception of sound and the object, it means almost, it is there, light conception. Para, Pashanti, Madhyama. In Madhyama, the difference become clear. Try to understand. The difference become more prominent. I mean the object I like to mean and the sound I utter almost clear. But still, in that case, whatever a pure sadhu can speak, that can be equal to, I mean the word he can speak, it can come true. Just one example I can give. Those small boys in Dwaraka, Jadubangsa, all boys are playing in the garden. They mischievous activities they are doing. By chance, they come in a garden, big garden. There they find some Mani Rishis, they are sitting there. Some Mani Rishis, they are sitting there in Dwaraka garden. And they are going to joke, they are starting joking with Rishi Manis. Shambho is very nice, very good looking. So they make Shambho woman, one cloth, and making the middle portion in such a way so that it can seem she is pregnant. Then they are going to make some joking, going to ask, could you please speak? She can give birth to any boy, baby or girl baby. They became angry. I told maybe 7 days before. After that, they say, she can give birth, he can give birth, one iron bar, which can be the reason of the destruction of whole Jatubangsa. It came true. Immediately, Shambho watching, really there is one bar. So, previously, somebody used to curse, like Chaitanya Bhagavat, curse. What they curse, they can come true. So powerful. One Brahman curse Maharaj, you can get no enjoyment of family life. Mahaprabhu laughing. You cannot get any enjoyment of family life. Yes, you cannot get any enjoyment of family life. Mahaprabhu laughing. Yes, I want this kind of, I want. Because any enjoyment in family life means bondage. So I don't. Very good. It is one kind of blessing in my life. Mahaprabhu. So, what those Brahman previous days, so powerful. If they speak something, it can come true. This is the one. So, now Bhagavan, Para, Pashanti, Madhyama, and Vaikhari mean it can come spotobhat. Due to air circulation by tongue, it can come in the form of sound vibration. And also spotobhat is very secret thing. How this word, going inside your ear and the meaning of this word coming. You can understand the meaning. It's all secret technology. So para, pashanti, madhyama, vaikhari, whatever sound vibration, whatever sound we are exchanging, hey, do this, whatever speaking, whole world, Brahmanda, is controlled by this sound, vaikhari, coming in the form of sound vibration, and make some meaning, sense inside your heart, this way. Now question is that Bhagavan giving one example. Bhagavan giving one example. Uddhav, you see, in the air, sun coming, na? Sun coming, air become very hot. Air become very hot, na? That means air is also bearing fire, but in fine form. That the matches you are using, tuck, surely it has fire. In latent, you heard the name latent heat? Latent heat in physics. Latent heat. So, heat is there, you cannot discover. In the form of barut, that some, layer there, with the stick, then friction, then from air fire entering and spark, then fire. Bhagavan speaking similarly, Uddhav similarly, Jatha analaha khe, anila bandhurusma balena daruni adhimatthmanaha anuhu prajato havisha samidhate tathaiva me bhaktiriyam hi bani. Similarly, Bani, sound, Bani, my Bani Veda, this way, step by step expressed. Previously, it was in latent form. How it came, Manipur chakra, then feeling something. After that, coming in such a level, Madhyama, then the difference become more prominent, but difference become more prominent, and the sound watering, whatever somebody is speaking, and the object it means, become same. And in Vaikhari form, when coming, that is called material form, you are uttering, that is sound. In Vaikhari form, surely the word I am speaking not equal to the object I mean. Totally scattered. Totally scattered. Where is water? Where is water? Where is water? And where is the term water? And where is water? All scattered. Bhagavan speaking, Yatha analaha, just like fire. In Anil and Anol. Like I made one joking, some foreigner, from England, William Carey or like that, I forget. A small boyhood is speaking, coming in front of Vidyasagar, again, I can learn Bengali from you. Well, you can come to me, I can teach you. Well, he is teaching Bengali. After some days coming, Hami Bangla Sikhe Geche. I already learned Bengali, no problem. Oh, so easily. You learn? Yes, I learned you. Vidyasagar was asking, what is the meaning between jal khabar, khabar jal? You speak out the difference. Jal khabar, khabar jal. Jal khabar, khabar jal. Jal khabar. Oh, same thing. You go and learn Bengali. Jal khabar means snack. And khabar jal means drinking water. So you, Sahib, you go and learn Bengali. It will take whole life for you to learn Bengali and Sanskrit. Not so easy. Yes, Hami Bangla sikhe geche. Hami Bangla sikhe geche. Ja, go learn. This way, people don't understand. Language, sound, so technology nice, So here you see Bhagavan speaking, Anal and Anil. What is the difference? Maharaj, same thing? No same. Anal mean fire, Anil mean Vayu, air. So it pronunciation almost same. Pronunciation almost same. So you don't know Bengali. You can say all same thing, Maharaj. Big problem. Those who are not knowing Bengali, if they are learning Bengali, half knowledge, it is more dangerous. Half knowledge. If you full language, half knowledge means dangerous. Because he cannot, oh, Maharaj speaking this, oh, I cannot come. He don't understand the meaning what I mean to say. Half knowledge of Bengali. Anything half knowledge is dangerous. Either you get full knowledge or don't know Bengali, it's okay. You cannot understand what Maharaj says. Ah, Maharaj criticized, I cannot come. What Maharaj will say? You cannot understand. This way, Anil mean fire, and Anil mean air. So it looks same, not same. Yatha Analaha Khe mean sky. Anilo bandhurusma balena, whatever power, heat, air absorb what air taking, and Anal there is in the wooden piece, dry wooden piece, continuous friction, tuck, tuck, tuck. Due to continuous friction, non-stop friction, somehow, one spark of fire develops. And that spark of fire, in addition to the air, and hot is already there, heat, that going to act as a catalyst, going to back. After that fire taking a big term, Bhagavan giving this example. First of all, we know, fire is there inside wood. Inside wood fire, what do you say? No fire there? You can start argument, where is fire? Inside wood. Inside wood fire is there, but in fine form. If potency is not there, how we can get? If I ask you, you can start water. A bucket of water I can give, you can go on churning. I say, you give me butter. Butter, how possible? Why not? Why not? You give me butter? Water is churning. Maharaj, butter not possible because churning. Butter not possible, Maharaj. Why? But in water, no. Potency is there. But in milk, if you churn, or yogurt, or whatever curd, then you can get milk. Because potency itself there. If potency is not there, how you can get? Even if you are foolish, you can expect, I can get it. How we can get it? Potency is not there. Inside you, potency of bhakti is there. That's why by the help of Guru Vaishnava, you can get power. If potency is not the weapon, surely each and everybody, they have potential inside. So by the help of Guru Vaishnava, they can help. I can discuss some sloka from Bhagavatam, just like two logs. After that fire comes, I can discuss Acharya, Aranir, Addu, Ante, Bahaushi, Uttara. I can discuss someday, not at a time. Confusing it is. So, potency not there, you are expecting that you are idiot number one. Potency not there, you are expecting, I can get it. Keshav Goswami is speaking, Maharaj, give me some bhakti, you are great. Keshav Goswami is speaking, potency is not there, no bhakti there. This foolish man going there and sacrificing their life. They are going to sacrifice their life unto a lotus feet of Ravan. No bhakti there. But they are, oh Maharaj, bless me, I can get, what bless? They are going to destroy their life, whole life. They can never get bhakti. Bhakti is not there. Bhakti is not there. A kapat. How you can get? Maybe they can make thousands of disciples also. One disciple they cannot show. One, single. Or even cannot prove that they themselves are powerful. So, yatha analaha khe anila bandhur sma balena daruni adimattamanaha anuhu prajayate havisha samidhate tathaiva me bacterium hibani. My Bani, Veda expressing this way. First of all, fire is there, in hidden form, in Vayu, in the sky, Vayu is flowing, and inside wooden log, dry, there is fire. Daruni, mane, inside log, there is fire, potency. Adimattamana, if I rub, friction. Previously, long ago, 5,000, 5,500 years, all those, on those primitive ages, how people, there are no clothes, nothing, like beast. They used to take two stone, thak, thak. You can go to history, we read in childhood, two stone chip, thak, thak. Fire coming, they are going to preserve fire, and they used to use. This way, fire technology came out. Previously, they used to take, they take one jiva, a cutting, how can they can tear it? Even no cutter was there. Cutter also came later. They all primitive age. Like tiger. Tiger going to catch you. Surely tiger cannot cook. He can take. And no need of cutting. Cutter. Taking. So, first of all, due to friction, it can take very fine form, spark. And if that small spark is added with some inflammable object, like we have seen, always you can watch that there is petrol tank, one chain running down, earthing. Sometime, due to some reason, if some spark going to add, then the spark added with inflammable object can be havoc form. Havoc. Whole tanker can burst. Whole fire. So first of all, take the form of very small spark, but by chance is added with clarified butter or kerosene or petrol, whatever you mean, or dry piece of wooden leaf, dry leaf, then it can take a big form. Similarly, Bhagavan speaking, Veda was in hidden form. After that, it is coming step by step. After that, it is taking form of sound. After that, Brahma pronouncing Veda, we are getting Veda. And on those previous days, Rishi Munis, they were so powerful that even they need not write in books. Whenever one time they are hearing one time, Gurudev speaking, they memorize. So power, Rishi Balaks, all boys, one time they hear, they can remember. They can recite intact. That's why the name of Veda was Shruti. Because on those days, that was the system. After hearing from Guru, disciple can remember, disciple can also recite to others, he can remember this way. There was no pen, pencil, garter, rubber, nothing. Nothing. Even at the time of Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, oh my God, somehow, by that time page started coming, a raw page. Previously, plum leaf, Bhaktivinoda Thakur collected Bhagavatam from some source, plum leaf. After they started. So this way, if a small spark is added with inflammable object, it can take a big form. Similarly, Gurudev can give, set fire into your adhatic spiritual fire, devotional fire. It can glow and you can become great devotee. This is the system. Potential is there. Yatha analaha khe anila bandhurusma baleno daruni adhimattamanaha anuhu prajato havisha samit bhate tathaiva me bacterium hibani. This way, Vedvani came out of Brahma. Uddhav, not only that, but also you must remember, whatever you are speaking, doing, sitting, eating, whatever you are doing, all by my power. But you have no information. You think you are a mighty man. You have no idea. Actually, by my power. I can give you one example. So long as one man is not going to exhibit his power, till then you cannot understand. When I was small boy, somebody, I cannot remember who took me in Calcutta, one place, there was one circus, you know circus? The joker, tiger, lion, that circus. We went there, circus. And we saw one tall man entering, he is coming from house maybe, somewhere, from his residential place, is coming. And he is entering, very tall figure. Now we don't know who is he. After that, when the circus going on, that the man enter that stage. That same man, who says, same man you saw, with short tail, now is having some little change. That man taking one rod, big rod, and putting here the rod, and putting pressure, the rod became bent. Huh? One rod became bent? My eyes. Oh my God. He is taking one car. That time Ambassador was there. No latest car was not. That is the old model. Ambassador is so heavy. Going to take Ambassador and pull. Ambassador, old style car. Almost now. So he is taking Ambassador. That man is so powerful. But while entering the gate, we saw him. We could not realize. So, when man can express his power, then somebody can guess. If not speaking, not doing, how we can understand? So, Uddhav, whatever eating, sleeping, going, whatever you do, all done by me, my power. Remember. Here I like to stop discussion, because too much discussion you cannot digest. So, I started with what sloka? Anadi nidanam brahmo sabda tatyam jadaksharam nivartate artho bhavena pakriya yagato yatha vancha kalpadurosya kipasindhi bhavich patitanang pavane bho vishnu bhyo.